Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, bringing you this amazing Audi SQ5 Quattro large SUV that is now available through the Motor Match program. This performance machine is an absolute beast and comes equipped here with the Daytona Grain Pearl Effect paint. As a Motor Match vehicle, it further benefits from a 1,000-mile 30-day warranty, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. This model even comes with a number of optional extras such as Audi Virtual Cockpit, Audi phone box with wireless charger and even folding door mirrors, adding to the overall convenience. Large S-Line alloy wheels with prominent badging is also available, and there are even side steps on the sides too, as well as privacy glass. Passengers in the rear of the cabin will be very happy, as this vehicle offers plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3, finished here in this beautiful fine Napa leather with S-Line embossed seats. There's also independent climate control system and ISOFIX shadow anchor points, whilst the rear of the car will offer large exhaust pipes and full LED taillights with dynamic indicators. For added convenience, when your hands are full, the tailgate is power opening and closing, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area that can easily take a week's worth of shopping. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin is no different, offering aluminium sports pedals, sports S-Line multifunction steering wheel, whilst the front seats will offer additional adjustment thanks to them being electrically controlled. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Audi SQ5. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this SQ5, there's plenty for you to enjoy. A very stylishly designed cabin, as you'd expect from an Audi, will put a smile on your face, and all the driver control panels are easily laid out and logically available to reach. The multifunction steering wheel can operate Bluetooth voice control and radios from the right, whilst the left side will operate the trip computer and even cruise control. The Audi Virtual Cockpit is an absolute joy to use, and you can see here you can minimize or maximize the dials depending on what view you prefer. Trip information, fuel economy is on offer, but also radio stations and music, and Bluetooth contacts can easily be operated on the move. The floating screen is operated via rotary down the center dash and comes with various systems such as Audi Drive Selector. You can fully optimize the music system of the vehicle, and of course you have full benefit of AM, FM and DAB digital radio. Additional media source functionality is available for any add-ons, and also the built-in satellite navigation and map can simultaneously be displayed on the floating screen here. Audi Connected Services will give you next level connectivity with your car, and there's even full AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone interface. To help you park, front and rear audible and visual parking sensors should provide additional reassurance. Lower down, there's also a 3-zone climate control system, with the front passenger and driver even enjoying their very own heated seats. Large cup holders and a large deep center armrest even features built-in USB connectors to keep your devices topped up. This has been a presentation of the Audi SQ5 Quattro that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.